Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
My friend, how much is your? Hey, get a pouch.
Oh, get a pouch. Oh,
This are going to 50 rand.
how much is your 13 pouch?
Sham, give my.
Ashifana phela lelanga lisiblasa kanjani kawo?
Ayimfana.
Ayimfana mawashaya isithombe esinye seportrait into la yami singasuka umphansi. Angawashaya, ngishaya boy.
All right, boy. Mara ma post angifreza like ungicredit ne.
Angizocredit manje.
Okay, boy.
Boy.
Kambani.
Wangishutha ngale phone to.
Kumele ngishute ngani
Athi yami lamafoni wena manje shutha ngathi mfethu sisephupheni or bathi ucamera. Yini lento yenzayo to? Hayi awuthi yami ungangisho ukuthi mina ngifuni ngathi isithombe seobutchery umuntu owashutha kudala bebangena ithombe zakhe manje basifaka ku poster ye funeral.
Hayi njalo.
Ngoba uyakwada nto ungakwadi ngishuthe ngale thatha le. Ngishuthe nga iPhone 17 Pro Max bana. Usebenzisa iportrait uthi vivid uzobona.
Okay.
Yabo.
Sure.
Hey. Singiyime ke.
Ngikhiphe eboxini.
Yeah, kumele iphume ntwana yami ungaywaste dog.
Okay.
Emily, what year were you born?
1992.
Hey Meredith, what year were you born?
2008.
Hey Nick, what year were you born?
1997.
Hey Kaylin, what year were you born?
2005.
Hey Jeremy, what year were you born?
1998.
Hey Allie, what year were you born?
2000.
Hello baby.
Yeah babe, ukuphi kade ngizama ukukufonela.
Lalela phela sithando sami sengithola indoda yepholo.
Unomanga wena.
Cabanga siza kuwena sokulanda manje.
Unomanga wena.
Geza uzenza isitabane sami sophuza yazo sithando sami.
Unomanga wena.
Ngitshela ngiyenza.
Okay.
Hey, how much is it?
50 rand.
Hey, where is my money? I have money. I lost my money.
Only 50 rand. Let me pay for him. Still I'll have 150.
Hey, Exe. Don't worry, bro. Take your stuff and go. I'll pay for you. Don't worry.
Sure.
Yeah, 100%. No problem, bro.
Hey, thank you, my bro.
No problem. Take your stuff and go. Thank you. Exe, take the 50 rand and give me 150 back, bro. What the frick? Hey, this is fake money, man. Huh? This is fake money. Fake. Give me 50 rand. Give me 50 rand. It is fake money. Fake. Yeah. Give 50 rand. Make fast. Give me 50 rand. Give 50 rand.
God have
Hi.
What's up?
Fine.
I'm your dad.
Nothing. My legs. Dad! Ah! Dada! I got my twisted. Where's my dad? To wash my foot.
You gotta wash your foot?
How did you cut your face?
What do you mean?
Can you kiss me?
You want me to kiss you?
Oh, this is so soft.
Hi. You making daddy feel bad. You crying at me.
Look up here. Elani, come here, mama, come here. If you think you're stupid, stand up. Young man, I said, if you think you're stupid, stand up.
Then I'm standing.
Are you stupid?
No.
Then why are you standing?
Because I feel sorry for you because you're standing alone.
Baby, do you know that I can turn a washing machine into a fan?
Really? How?
Okay, you see this box? Hold it like this. Do it like this to me.
Like this.
You see?
What's wrong with you?
I am not from America. I am from Kenya. Let's go.
I am not from America. I am from Kenya. I am not from America. I am from Kenya.
God have mercy upon us.
I am not from America. I am from Kenya.
I am not from America. I am Kenya.
I am not from Kenya. I am Kenya. I am not America, Kenya.
I am not from America. I am from Kenya.
I am not. Is America.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continue.
I am not my Kenya. I am not by Africa.
Rose, Kenya, America. Not Kenya, America.
wena moskana no ka rara bona gore after le tshola maikele o ile ko hesheng ka makala se tsobolela le batho ba le bateng e fetsalang juba enka gwa le itse gore ke ena o.
If I ask you a question, your answer should be quick.
Okay.
2 plus 2.
Quick. Quick.
4 plus 4.
Quick. Into engayithanda ukuba uwele ukuthi uwele uphekela ngami sishiya sobabili.
Into engathanda ukuba uwele ukuthi uwele emidabo kwamateka usasa kwamatha wakhe ngoba vele ayafana.
Into engathanda ukuba uthi wele ntombini yami buya zenze mina.
Into engayithanda ukuba uwele ukuthi uwele ukwazi ukuvula i-app yamakhiphi sehlashasela imali.
Into engathanda ukuba uwele ukuthi mase kufiwa sifa umngane ngiyithande nje leyo. Hello, I'm not the birthday girl. Let's go.
Hello, I am not speaking.
Hello, I'm not the first day girl. Hello, I'm not best girl. Hello, I am not best girl. Hello, I'm not a best girl. Hello, I'm not the best girl. Hello, I'm not the best girl. Hello, I'm the best girl.
Mama kwa bumukhatsi ya ka o na le dikomiki tsa Carol Boys. What is that? What is Carol Boys?
I can't say.
That's why you reka dikomiki tsa sekgale.
Tsa Carol Boys as just khal.
Di botsana wena. Di phalaje tsa sekgale. Mara ta go di rekelang ka gore le kofi ya ona e bose.
Yes, sir.
Hi, my sister, please, can I have your numbers?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you, please.
Am I your type? Just look at yourself. Can you manage to take care of me?
Please.
Just look at yourself. Which phone are you using?
I can take it.
Hey. My brother, go away. Yeah? You're not my type. You're not my type. You can't take care of me, please. You're bothering me now. That's an insult. You're becoming an insult. You are an insult now.
Please, give me a chance.
My time. Do you know that I can sue you? Do you know
Please,
that I can
I'm
sue
sorry,
you?
man. I'm sorry.
Hey, leave me.
Oh. No, it's fine. Thank you so much. No, I'll see you, my sister.
Hey, my brother.
Yeah?
You
Yeah?
Leave the car. You didn't tell me. You put your number.
Okay.
Fast. It's your car.
Yeah, it's my car.
Why didn't you tell me? Give me my number.
Take mine, yes.
You're supposed to tell me. You know, sometimes I can just become difficult for no reason.
Some of those things, man.
Let me even buzz my number so that you see it's my number.
Yes.
You see it's ringing?
Yes.
It's my number, this one.
Thank you so much.
I'm still in town.
Yeah, fine. I'll call you.
Today.
Yeah. My brother. Yeah. You are too much. You are too much, my brother. Thank you so much. I got it, my brother. I got a number. Hey, thank you so much. Yeah. Hey.
God have mercy upon us.
You saw the radio woke up this morning.
No? I've never seen such white guinyas. How did it happen? All of them. Hey, yo. I cooked. I opened one. I tasted it and I'm like, yeah, they cooked, but I have no idea. How did they end up white? Akuneshukela phakathi ngoba kushukela kule mbidi. Yo, I know you're gonna get sick. I know. It's tough times indeed. Honestly.
Happy New Year 2026. Let's go.
Happy New Year 26.
God have mercy upon us.
Happy New Year 2026. Happy New Year 2026.
Man. Our New Year's promotions include brand new and unused Chinese brain transplant installation, tongue flexibility serum injection, plus seriousness enhancement medication, 103,740, including VAT. We take cash and Bitcoin, no medical aid or barter trade.
Atumela Joe. What? Yeah. So, Esham, kisaiza gori.
Hi baby, kwenzakalani usomudla?
Beba ngazi nami ngiyaqala ukuyibukela ngaza ngisho.
Hayi makamuhle ubuchopho ayinyawo mengasahamba umunye umntana. Hayi baby.
Chopho?
Baby wangashongo.
Iba baby ima ungarasi itha sibukele ke nama ngazi baby.